Hello, good morning, dear students. Myself is Deepti from Dip Scroll Bag, and in today's lecture, we are going to History Chapter 9. Write a short note and the question answers of this chapter. We are going to start with the question answers of this chapter. The first question is: what evil practice were found in Indian society in 19th century? Answer is given on one page number 124. Here, on the first page of this chapter, the society in 19th century was in the grip of social evils such as the caste system, the practice of sati and parda, polygamy, of female infanticide, marriage, restrictions on widow remarriage, and illiteracy. Question number 2 is: what did Raja Ram Mohan Roy do to uplift women? Answer is given here. Due to his present efforts, Lord Beckins, the then Governor General, banned sati in 1829, and he also abolished polygamy, and he also stressed on the woman inheriting property. Question number third: what was the status of women in Indian society in 19th century? Answer given on page number 124, the first page of this chapter. The status of women in the 19th century were very poor. Women were made to follow the customs and traditions of the society. A woman's duty were to bear children and to look after the household. She was also forced to live in difficult situation after her husband's death. Next question number 4 is: what was the condition what contribution was made by Ishwar Vidyasagar for the upliftment of women and girls? So he was a special inspector of school. He concentrated on opening many schools, especially for girls, and he was work for the upliftment of for women and the education for the girls. He supported women upliftment by, made the British pass the Widow Remarriage Act in 1856. Next is question number 5. Name two social women reformers of their time. Answer is Ramabai Ranade and Sarojini Naidu. So now we will go do the write the short notes on Raja following. First is Raja Ram Mohan Rai, then Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar, फिर है Kesab Chandra Sen, and then Arya Samaj is there. So let's start. Raja Ram Mohan Rai. He was an Indian reformer and he was a pioneer of the reform in movement in India. He started Brahmo Samaj. He was a strong supporter of women education and widow remarriage. He opposed child marriage and polygamy. He was against the sati pratha. Due to his efforts, British government banned sati in 1829. Next is Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. He was a reformer in India in 19th century. He worked hard for the widow remarriage and women education. When he was a special inspector of school, he established many schools for school, especially for girl child. Due to his efforts, a Widow Remarriage Act 1856 was passed by the government. Third was Keshav Chandra Sen. He was a follower of Raja Ram Mohan Rai. He also fought against all the evils of society. He opposed the Parda system and performed intercaste marriages. Fourth is Arya Samaj. So Arya Samaj, Dayanand Saraswati, he was the founder of Arya Samaj. In founded Arya Samaj in 1875, whose aim was to re-establish the Vedas, the earliest Hindu inscriptions and revealed truth. These are the short notes of this chapter. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.